going to eat. Okay. We are going to eat here. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Kidron Town and Country. We asked for good food and Lehman workers told us to come here down to their basement. Looks like they have ice cream here. Where's the basement?
How do we get downstairs to the restaurant?
Thank you. There's good food. Oh, there's our cards here. So we're going down. There. The restaurant entrance. She was looking at me. The restaurant there. Here? I am free to live for you. There, we're here. That's their specials today.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken plus 2 sides, $10. There's the coffee. So this is what we got. The special for today, Gerber's fried chicken. And I got 2 sides, onion rings and coleslaw. My husband got chicken too. And what's that left? Mixed veggies.
Mixed vegetables, yeah.
And potato salad. And we have free bread with butter. So we are done eating. We ate all the chicken, the onion rings, the potato salad, the mixed veggies, and I drink my root beer. Excuse me. I ordered the coleslaw, but there is something in the coleslaw that I do not like. I think it's from the lettuce. Because the first, when I, like a couple weeks ago, I had Trevor bought Subway subs, and there is a taste that's different taste in that sandwich that I do not like. That is also in this coleslaw. So maybe it's from the lettuce, I don't know. There's a new ingredients that they added that was not there before that I do not like. So that's it. We're stuck. The onion rings are good. I love onion rings. So if you happen to come here at Lehman's or the neighboring places of Lehman's in Kidron, Ohio, you might consider stopping here for lunch or for food, dinner at Kidron Town and Country. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you all. God bless. Oh, there they are.
Chickens didn't have to go too
Yeah.
far.
That's where they got their chicken.
All
Gerber.
What is that crowing for?
Quality worth coming about.
Crowing about, yeah.
Oh, crowing about.
Cock-a-doodle doo.
That's their truck there.
Yeah,
Wholesale.
Cobra wood products too.
Yeah, it's a big place. Look, it's
Some rocks and stuff coming up from these trucks kicking up.
I thought it's raining. And I didn't see any water.
It's ice. Sand or dust.
It's ice?
It's ice.
That's what I thought. It sounds like rain.
It's ice. Ice.
It's getting ice. Ice, baby. UPS. Oh, it's, huh?
I'm gonna be hurt when we get home. The seat is not
Yeah.
very comfortable.
There's another buggy.
They don't like their pictures taken.
I know they don't. I put photo in it. Beautiful trees. Look what we have here. We are home. And when my husband paid our bill at the Kidron Town and Country restaurant, he bought 2 of these mugs because I commented that I like their mugs. Because in front, on the other side, it says Kidron, since 1929, Kidron Town and Country Great Taste starts here. And on the other side of the mug, it says Joshua 24:15. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. See? I love it. And then back. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Thank you, lovey-dovey. Thank you very much for watching. There. Put here.
Now, I want to save this box, see how it's reinforced a little bit.
Yeah.
And down in the bottom, it's got a hickey down in the bottom.
There's another box that supports it.
Yeah.
Oops. Hala.
Can you get it? Come over to this side.
There. That's very big. It fits there though.
Yep. See how it rocks?
This thing is not level.
No, it's not. So I can't even use these on the sides. Where's the other one?
Yeah, because
We got
it's
a
too big.
couple stock pots.